were you guys scouted or did you audition para maging part ng Sonara?
Wow!
Actually, 2 years ago po, nag-hold po ng audition
Yung 1Z Entertainment. Opo. And from there, nag-audition po kami. Some of us were scouted. And we went through a lot for 2 years. And the rest is history. Thank you so much, Billboard.
I love it. Nakatatlong mics pa yan. Thank you so much for that answer. Pero syempre, yung song niya nakaka-perform ng tabi. Introduce the world to who Sonara is. Pero syempre, I'm sure nakikita niyo mga ilang comments online about how amazing your performance is. Hindi lang performance, yung song niyo. Ano yung pinaka-best and most memorable reactions na nabasa niyo or nakita niyo?
Siguro po, sobrang thankful din po talaga kami na inabangan po kami. At so maraming salamat po kasi actually, nung na-release po kami sa public, hindi pa namin nakakalain na maraming tao tungkol para sa Sonara, nag-suporta sa Sonara, nag-ate Sonara. At syempre, pwede ko po ba i-share yung first ever reaction namin nung narinig namin yung tabi sa big speakers.
Sure,
Yes, SMTC. Para kaming naiyak, guys, because ang tagal po namin tinago, yung training, yung kanta, and then finally narinig po namin sa malakas at malaking venue yung tabi na ginawa po namin. Kaya maraming salamat po!
At dahil sa dedication at hard work ninyong lahat, eto na yung support that you girls deserve. Congratulations sa inyo. Before you guys exit, please we'll invite our photographer here on stage for a quick photo op with our crowd. Ngayon.
Picture daw tayo
Alright everyone, quick! Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much, ladies. You may now
Thank you!
take some offices. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys! Thank you!
Grabe!